Welcome to the Raizo Smart Lock tutorial video. We use AA alkaline batteries. Press ##, enter your preferred 6-digit administration code, re-enter the code to confirm, and finish by pressing #. Enter *#, followed by the 6-digit admin passcode, finishing with hashtag to authorize it to press 1 to add users. Scan your fingerprint 5 times to register as a user. Enter a 6-digit password followed by hashtag. Then re-enter the password to confirm and finish with hashtag. Place your card close to the keypad. Unlock the door with your fingerprint. Enter your password to unlock.
Scan your card on the keypad.
Insert your key into the keyhole to unlock the door. Download Raizo Smart from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Key and *#, followed by the 6-digit admin passcode to authorize. Press 4 for system management. Press 6 for network configuration. Select 1 for Smart Confine. Select Add Device on at the home page. Go for Camera and Lock. Choose Lock with Wi-Fi from the Smart Lock option. Switch to 2.4 GHz network and enter your Wi-Fi password. Press Next on the Reset the Device page. Check the box and enter Next to connect. Press the Done icon after the connection is successful. Select the device and choose Temporary Password, then Time-Limited Password. Press Add to create time-limited password. Enter or generate the password randomly. Select and create the expiration time. Then enter Save. Enter *# followed by your 6-digit admin password and hashtag to authorize. Press 3 to delete users. Press 1 to delete by numbers. Enter the user number to remove an individual. Press and hold the reset button with a pin. Release the button after 5 seconds and enter hashtag to confirm. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next video.